How to see someone's location on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. The most convenient option to check someone's location is through the Find My application. So go ahead and open the Find My application on your device. Go to the People tab there and you will be able to see the location of people who have shared their location with you here. You can simply tap on their name and then see their exact location. To add someone here, tap on the plus icon you see there and then tap on Share My Location. You will be led to your contacts. Tap on the individual you want to share your location with and then tap on Send. With this, the invitation will be sent to the individual and you can share one another's location. This is probably the only method as of now on how you can see someone's location without having their specific phone. For the next methods, you will need to have the other person's phone. You can see the places that they have been to on Google Maps in their phone. So open Google Maps and tap on search bar. You can go through the list. It will show you where they have been lately if they used Google Maps for navigation. Next method is launch the settings application, scroll down and tap on privacy and security and then on location services. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on system services now and scroll down again and now tap on significant locations. You will need to enter Face ID or passcode here. So do that and now here you can see the summary of the frequency of the individual whose phone you are checking. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.